How to make a photo collage on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, you'll need to locate your shortcuts app and open that up. Now there you should find a gallery section on the bottom right. Head over there and simply search for Photo Grid. There we go. Now simply tap on it and tap on this plus icon to enable it. Then what you'll need to do is head over to shortcuts, tap on Photo Grid, and it should open up your photos. Now you can select multiple photos from here. I'll just select 4, tap on add, and it should give me a new picture. Now these are 4 pictures. You can tap on the share icon after you've done loading the image, and tap on save image, and you can now go ahead and check in your gallery that you have just created a photo collage. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.